All right, fellas, we made it to my favorite track in the whole world. Pala, also known as Fox Raceway. This is probably, what do you think? This is probably what, our fucking 6th time being here?
Probably more than that.
Probably more than that. We've rode here a couple times. Me and Johnny had the privilege of coming here a few times, but we're here today. The track looks absolutely insane, and I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you have not ridden your dirt bike out west, you are completely missing out on the greatness side of motocross. This is motocross. This is where it's at. This is the good shit. This is where the fast guys are. Gonna be a fun day here at Fox Raceway. Guys, make sure you're rocking the merch. This right here is our #1 top seller. We've currently sold over 20,000 of these, probably more. And if you're not one that's wearing it and you're not supporting the movement, then you are what I call a certified bitch. So head over to DukeGomez.com, buy yourself some merch. Make sure you sign up for the This Gen Sucks Members Only Club, where you get to talk to me on a daily basis. We get to hang out, talk shit, live weekly calls every week. So make sure you join the Members Only Club. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. God bless, and eat my ass. Traffic suck, by the way, bro. I wanted to just come over here and tell you. They don't stick to the bike.
But you gotta start, that's the problem.
See? You got a red bike too, asshole.
Got the start today again, my boy.
Another day riding a tampon. And I'll tell you what, whether you like it or not, I like it. John, you know how I know something's good is when John tells me, hey, this is really good and you look good on the bike, I think we need to get one. So then I listen to John. John actually is the one that runs my bank account and all my information, so he's the one that buys all the shit.
Yeah,
is that why you're locked in?
I'm late as fuck.
Where's your trainer at?
He's already out there.
Are you training today?
Yeah.
I didn't know they trained gay guys. Is that like a new thing?
You don't seem so happy to see him this morning.
I'm just fucking late. That meeting went way too long.
What meeting did you have?
Just a work meeting.
He's got to work so you could ride.
Yeah.
Literally.
He's not being smart and making me a contract so he can make more money. The guy's slacking. He talks about how he's broke. I'm making more money.
Later today, dude. I got you. What's up, John? Good to see you,
What's up,
babe.
Brian? How you doing?
Good to see you, brother.
You're about to do this. You're about to do the same fucking thing.
I think that's so gay that these things make no noise.
I mean, it's electric. It'd be gayer if they put like a speaker on it and
fuck,
made
yo,
noise.
you got a spoke wrench? Oh my god, these spokes are fucking loose.
This thing is cooked.
Look at this one.
Do it again? Holy shit.
Can't ride that.
Just another day at work.
Another day at work. While you guys are at the 9 to 5, me and John are riding dirt bikes.
Yeah, we just had our 247.
I'm excited to ride this fucking place. All right, fellas, we're back on the tampon.
Yo, you're plugging your bike in?
What?
You're plugging your bike in? As the tables have turned, my friend.
Stupid ass.
Put the butt plug in.
Look at this.
Now we're charging.
That's 2025 for you. You gotta charge your fucking bike and put your maxi pads on.
Next thing you know, you're gonna get a Cybertruck to pull up in the track ends.
That's my next purchase, a Tesla.
You could actually get money back from the government.
If I get a Tesla?
Yeah.
What? Is it 6,000 pounds?
Friendly.
Oh god.
Talk to me real quick.
Yo, we just pulled up to a fucking daycare. It's 12-year-olds here. We're gonna give out free shit like Oprah. Come along.
What do you want
Yo
to
guys,
say?
we got the hottest UPS worker in town today. She's delivering next day air all packages. So if you need an expedite a package, hit her line. Actually, don't go anywhere near her line, pal. That's all I got for you.
So we were just riding in California and now we're in Connecticut.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, you guys don't show enough support to where John and me, or me and John.
We left the track.
Yeah,
what
left
track?
the-
We were at Pala and now we're in Connecticut.
Yeah, now I got Ponca reaching out to me that they want us to come back.
Are you dead ass?
Moto Playground DM'd me and said, hey Duke, we want you to come back to Ponca to race. I literally just gave them the middle finger. Because
Did you like that race last year?
I did like it, but I didn't like the fucking track, dude. The track sucked.
I send them a truck.
We just ordered gasoline on Bush.com, 1988. It's like my dick.
I still wanna. Now she on. Yeah, saw summer. Boyfriend just to come up till she get another. Yeah. Love can't keep us. She make sure you see her. London to Ibiza. Yeah. She got hot girl problems. She got hot girl problems. Yeah, she got hot girl problems. She got hot girl problems.
Yo, you look like someone that belongs in like Assassin's Creed.
I do, but where the fuck am I from, Duke?
Ukraine? I don't know.
No, Duke, I'm not getting bumped on.
Oh my god. You sound like fucking Triple H from WWE. Fucking Triple H.
So, Duke, where the fuck am I from?
I don't know, dude. I can't. I don't know.
No, you gotta stay in Europe.
Bro, you remind me of the fucking dude from Lion King, Scar.
Which one? Scar?
What do you gotta say to the people in Poland?
Pierogies and schabowy all day, every day. America, service all day. Poland service, yeah, suck.
I want everybody in the comment section to let me know what the fuck this dude just said.
Wait, can you
Dude,
explain
you
what you were
racist fuck. I love this dude. Trump all day.
It's a serious question. Okay, guy thinking about a porno, dude.
Okay.
Trans dude with some tits.
Wow, that's
Fucking a girl.
Trans
Titties,
dude
dick,
with tits.
fucking girl.
I don't know who's paying you to do this, but you definitely should get fired. Keep you alive for like.
This guy's shot.
Who, me? Yeah, did you even hear anything I just said?
Yeah, fuck Lizzo.
Oh, Alright. We're with a guy that likes to wear hoodies in fucking 800-degree weather. This guy he lost more weight tonight at this club than Weight Watchers has done for anybody in a million years. We're ending the night on a great note. In order for us to pay for our shitty fucking camera guy, you guys have to put your 16-digit credit card information on my website and buy something so I can pay rent and John and the food that he eats on a weekly basis. So go to
DukeGomez.com.
Yes, see, she knows the answers to all my questions. Go to my website and buy something so that I'm not broke. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. John's still gay, so if you want to go to his Instagram and remind him, you're more than welcome to do that. I love yous all. We're hanging out with a bunch of scumbags in a room that's full of dicks. And that's all I got for you.
Yeah, saw summer.